Oh, I needed a non-marring jaw vise, and this is what I came up with, just temporary out here. I found some of these, well, we used to call them tongue depressor sticks at a dollar store, a big pack of them for $1.25. And what I'm going to do is cut this in half. And I'm going to take a piece of this duct tape, about like that, and another one like that. I'm just going to put one piece. I could even do it this way. Put this on here, and then this on here, like so, and push the adhesive part of that tape to all the metal contact points of the vise there. I'm going to do it again with this other side. Okay, looks like I'm done. So now I can put my piece of metal I want to work on in there, and I want this to be smooth, this top part, but I don't want to mar this, and I think I've solved that pretty easily, and I can let it sit like this for a while, and if I need to do it again, just grab another one of those tongue depressor sticks or whatever we call them today, and that's it.